Problem is, I don't know how to use any of these. This is literally going to be my first job with this. Alexis with a problem? Can't be. Let's figure it out. I'm going to be using my new tool for fixing this, I think, hopefully. Wait, can we just enough to get the smoke?
Yeah.
Like literally just for a few seconds. That'll do. Perfect.
Alright.
Yeah, that's the issue. Right, so I don't know if you can see this, but in this... Huh? I haven't, no. Oh, come on. Get me. You see? It's all been cut out. So it's been leaking, and what's happened is just the pure pressure of it leaking is cut a big hole. There you go. It's cut a big hole in that washer, which then has transferred onto here and cut out a dish on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to separate it here, and I'm going to shave a little bit off that on one of my new machines. Now you might be saying, well, hold on a second, you're going to affect, where's the washers, you're going to affect how, you know, how far it goes down. It's not going to work properly. And actually, no, you're wrong. There is, like everything, there's tolerances. When you cut a new seat in the head, you always take a bit of material away. But this is 3.2 millimeters thick, where I've got oversized washers where the standard one is 3 millimeter. So I can take more than 0.2 off that and be completely and utterly safe, because we're still well within tolerances. So yeah. Do you know that camera's on? I'll turn it off. Right, what I've done is I've just put all that back together and I've just put some tape on it so nothing can move. And now this is what we've got. Someone's been at it before, but we're going to make it nice and flat. Right, we've got a few issues here, because I could use me precision table and I could actually lap it in, right? That would be kind of easy, sort of. The other problem is, what machine do we use? Do we use the long bed? Do we use just the normal Super 7 or the other Super 7? Do we use a smaller milling machine or the bigger milling machine? The problem is, I don't know how to use any of these. This is literally going to be my first job with this. So, yeah. I really don't know what's going to happen. Right, seriously, you're going to have to bear with me, because I think I've now got this right. I've been messing around with it for a few minutes. I think I've got the right cutting bit. I think. I don't know. It kind of looks right. All I need to do is just push it to it and let it make it level. I don't know speeds. I don't know anything. I think I've got it more or less level. I think all I'm going to do is literally just bring it in like this. You can see that coming in. And just let it touch. See, that's just cut a bit of it away already. Just want to see. I'm actually cutting it. Just want to see where the... Ah, yeah, there. See there, it's not touching. Right. Fingers crossed. I don't know if this is right. I think it is. I don't know speeds. I don't know angles. I don't know anything. Truly don't know anything. This isn't even set up properly. This is on, it's not even on its risers. It's on a pallet. It's stupid. But I think it's going to be good enough to get that square, isn't it? I think. Does I need to push that in a bit more maybe? So it's not sticking out as much. Right, let me plug this in and hope for the best. Right, we have our first problem, and I don't know if it's a chuck problem or a jaw problem or the part problem, so I'll just turn this on now. That's a self-centering chuck. I can't really do anything. That piece is quite long, so it's not as if I can put that in at an angle on the fingers, I don't think. But watch what happens when I turn it on. See how much that's wobbling? That's really quite bad. Is that the chuck, the fingers, the bloody what, I don't know. Or I've got another one. I'll take that one off and put this one on. Okay, I'm not going to put this one on. I thought all these were the same. Oh yeah, I am going to put this one on. So, different make. Going the right way. Right. So, will this now be the same? It's more or less the same. So there's no way it's two different chucks. That's spooked. And I know it needs to be leveled, and I know all that, especially when you're using a short piece. I'm just facing this, so surely just doing that won't make a difference the way I've got this set up, will it? Don't know. Should we give it a go? Should we make some chips, people? Should we? Where can I put the camera? I'm gonna put the camera somewhere where I might be able to see a bit better now. There. Maybe here. Nope. So on here it is, yeah. Right. Look, I'm just gonna send it. Oh, it's not cutting. Something was moving. That wasn't cutting. God, I'm such an expert, aren't I? I have just chipped. I've just chipped that. Does it have to come in this way then? Like that? No. Hold on, what's going on here? Why isn't that cutting? Let me change everything, people. Hold on, I got an idea. Let me move this in a bit and then come in at it. Hold on, is that because it's the wrong way? It is, isn't it? The only way that will cut is if it's coming down the way. And I can't do it the opposite way because it will spin off the chuck. Now it'll cut. There we go! Right. I made some chips! You can now really see, I don't want to take it out, but you can really see the damage That's on that from the washer. You see? Right, I'm going to keep going. Be careful the chuck doesn't spin off. Oh, this is dodgy as fuck, man. It's cool though. I'm making chips. Shame it's not fish and chips. I'll record this with my phone as well. I have to get some posterity. Look at me, mummy! I'm making chips! Are you ready? Oh yeah! Ah! Oh, we're close. We're really close. Tiny bit of a skim. Now, people, I fucking think that's done. Where's the washer? Oh, that looks bloody perfect. See? Making money with these already. Look at that. Lovely. And if I put that on there and try and look through, I can't see any light through that. Look at that. Oh, I've used my lathe! I've used my lathe, people! I've used it! I've used my lathe! Right, we still have a slight issue. You can see that hole's been elongated. So as it's been blowing out, it's been chuffing off the side of that. That's why the hole looks like it's not directly in the middle, because it isn't. The only good thing is, say good thing, is the washer is really thick and goes completely over that. So if you look down there, we've got loads, just see it there, we've got loads of washer with this, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. Another thing I've just done, because like I said, this thing isn't square, it's twisted, and I know my lathe isn't set up right, but I mean, for such a short piece and for facing it, I don't think that's going to make any difference. Maybe it will, I don't know. I don't think that's all the wobble that was in this, is my lathe not set up right. This is a servicing table, double A grade, kind of as good as you're going to get. Cast iron, and there is absolutely no sign of air. I'll put that torch directly down. Look, if I lift it up slightly, you'll see the light coming out. There's no sign of any gap coming through. So I think that is as flat as I can get it. Yes, I would prefer my lathe to be set up properly, but I think for this piece, I don't think it's really making that much of a difference. We're going to see now in a few minutes. Right, okay, look, I'm holding up against the light and you can't see any light through there. The only thing that's don't like is the fact that that hole has been worn away more on one side, but if you look at it, it's still nice and shiny. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the gar. Oh, I need to clean the hole again. Hold on.
That's what she said.
Injector. Put the washer in first. Just double check. It's gone down. Probably it has. then injector goes this way, is it? Right, let me get all this buttoned in. Problem is, I didn't take it out, so a bit awkward. But I just want to see, did it work? All right, let me get all this buttoned up, and then we're going to see, did it work? Hope it digs. I don't want my first ever lathe work to be a fail. Okay, it's all back together, but there's something wrong with that pipe. See, these pipes have been leaking. Someone's put tape in there. That one seemed really tight. It's like it's lifting the injector up. I don't know. Making excuses just in case, but there's definitely something wrong with the pipe. Now, it's back together enough, I believe, to start. But the question is, will it start? And will it smoke? So I'll leave the camera somewhere. It's the closest I can do it. Right. That's what I thought in the clutch. Push button. Let me get hole. Window. Clutch. Clutch. Come on, let's put that. You fucking arsehole, come on. Oh. I knew it would do that. But I don't think there was any smoke coming up, which if there wasn't, she's fixed. Let me get a jump pack. Jump pack's on. Right. It worked! Oh, baby! Love it! Stop fucking leaking! My first lathe job worked! Right, people, that is absolutely awesome. What we're going to do is, I'm going to start the car for me. Pull the seat forward so you can get to the pedals.
Right, I need to...
all the way until it stops.
No, because this thing is stopping there.
Should do, put your foot all the way on the clutch. That's the one, yeah, no, yeah, yeah, that one, all the way down. See that button where it says start? Hold on, don't do it yet. Do it now! Just press it.
It is pressed.
It can't be.
It is.
It can't be, just press it. Press it once. Come on. Press it.
It's pressed.
It can't be, it'll be starting if it is. Put your foot all the way down on the clutch.
All the way down?
Yeah, now, just don't hold it pressed, just press it once. Now press it again.
Ah. When engine...
Hold on. Why is that not doing that now? You sure your foot's all the way on the clutch?
Yeah.
Try now.
Completed. Hood open. Not working.
Your foot can't be all the way on the... It's not locked.
It is.
All the way down. There you go. Now. Press it?
It is pressed.
It can't be.
I pressed it.
Now. Awesome! No leaks, people! No bloody... Oh, you little... Oh my god! Oh, I deserve that. I do deserve that. Anyway, people, bloody awesome. As always, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget.
Don't forget to get your hands dirty.
See you for the next one. Bye.
Bye.